Hello, my name is Evan Lund and I am the CET for our group building the embankment, and this is what we've come up with. What we started with was a cast made out of plywood that was a 2 foot by 2 foot on bottom with 2 foot by 10 foot sides wrapped all the way around, and from there we took spray insulation, sprayed a base course on, and then after the base course there was applied bracing to increase the integrity of this design. And then for the embankment part itself, we added fillers of solo cups to preserve or to minimize the amount of foam necessary. This hole right here is what we're going to be using for our swamp, as seen here. So we will pump our oobleck from the swamp into our reservoir on the embankment. So as you can see from our embankment here that it's greater than the 30 degrees or 60 degrees. We actually have an 82-degree slope right here. And we hope to achieve this by adding a T-bar to this whole system and a bracket on our car. So on these axles, we will have something that comes down and brackets something that looks like that to a T that will run along the embankment, which looks like a T. So the car will run up the side, engage into the T-bar, and then as it runs, it will use the T-bar to hold it up to the wall as it reaches its max degree of 82 degrees. And then as it comes off, it will disengage from the track, come over here, engage into the T-bar, take the embankment at 82 degrees, come off the embankment, and continue on with the course.
Go. To get this embankment on the side and have room to get around is a little bit difficult, so we're going to have to figure out an orientation that works the best. But just by utilizing geometry, so it makes it no problem. I go for all red here with this particular one. Also, this keeps happening. So it keeps getting out of here. It won't stay in. We need to address that. Maybe that'll help with this. See where that went up. Gonna need the adjustments, but once this gets fixed, we'll be able to make it through the course no problem. So these aren't even connected, so it leaves a lot of wiggle room. So we're going to have braces across the middle, and that'll give it a lot more rigidity, and hopefully it'll keep that member in a little bit better. Plus a little bit bigger battery will hopefully make it so that won't be short on battery through the course. Let's see if we can make it through this. Too much torque for that. I'll get the front wheel drive. One really cool thing about this vehicle and this remote is that I can actually switch the steering and the throttle so that now you can see that the servo is on the back. So I'm moving backwards and steering is in the rear now. That was a lot cooler. Yeah. This is a championship. This is a winning vehicle.